So this is your very spacious rectangle shaped living room, a spacious kitchen where you get L shape of platform. This is your very spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and are you also looking for a low density project with ultra luxurious amenities in Virar West? Then I have got you at the perfect spot. Today we are going to be doing the sample flat tour of the Curve by Abhinav Group located in Virar. As you can see, I'm standing right inside the sales office. Now I'll be taking you outside, showing you the connectivity and the neighborhood of this project. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 4 acres of freehold land with 4 towers, ground plus 33 residential floors with configuration of 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities which includes kids play area, clubhouse, turf, multi-purpose court, jogging space and many more. Guys, as you can see, I'm standing on the main road at the actual location. Right over here is the sales office. You can also have a look at the neighborhood of this project. This road leads you to the main road. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Olanda Naka, Virar West, with Virar station at a distance of just 7 minutes, D-Mart, Zudio, Smart Bazaar at a distance of just 10 minutes. Beach at a distance of just 7 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 2 to 3 kilometers. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights to Home Buyer series ज़रूर देखें. बहुत सारे buyers को पता ही नहीं होता है कि उनके actual rights क्या है. For example, अगर आपने token amount दे के builder से flat book कर दिया है, but आप cancel करना चाहते हो, तो builder legally कितने पैसे deduct कर सकता है, ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And also possession के बाद construction या leakage related issue आता है, तो what liability does the builder hold? You need to know this as well. A lot of buyers are very much unaware of their actual rights. So हमने ये सारे problems का solution लाया है. We've explained everything in this series in very easy to understand and simple language. So before buying a home next time in Mumbai, please go through this series. ये series का link आपको description और I button में मिल जाएगा. Now let me give you this 3 BHK sample flat tour within carpet area of 874 square feet. As I enter, right here is your foyer space. Have a look at the foyer space. And then comes here your living room. So this is your very spacious rectangle shaped living room. Have a look at the living room. And then right in the living room, you get French window attached with an attached spacious balcony with an amazing view where you can enjoy tea, coffee, chill with your family, enjoy your me time. Now let's move ahead. As we move ahead, right here is going to be your kitchen. So this is going to be a spacious kitchen where you get L shape of platform and enough walkable space to move around in this kitchen. And then in the kitchen attached, you get dry space. So have a look at the dry space for your washing machine area. And then right where your platform ends over here is going to be your refrigerator space. So very well planned designed kitchen, a spacious kitchen, not compact at all. Obviously the carpet area is also above 800 square feet. And then as you come out of the kitchen, right here is going to be your dining space. So this is going to be your dining space. Right now the placement is like that, but easily a 6 to 8 seater of dining space can accommodate over here. Moving ahead, right in front of your dining space, here comes your bedroom number 1. Come, let's have a look. So this is going to be your bedroom number 1. So this is comparatively a little smaller bedroom, so you can use it as a meeting room or your kids' room, or even put a queen size bed and turn it into a bedroom. Right now they have designed it as an office space. And then you get attached French window, half French window for nice ventilation and lighting in the room. Now let's move ahead. So as we walk ahead comes your bedroom number 2. So come inside. So this is going to be a master bedroom as well. So again, a queen size bed is placed over here, and then there's walkable space on the 2 sides of the room. So I'm just walking around and showing you the amount of walkable space. Right here you get French window, half French window with an amazing open view and good sunlight. As you can already see in the video, there's good lighting in this room. And then this wall right here is dedicated for your wardrobe space. So a whole wall dedicated for your wardrobe space, and then right in front of that comes your attached washroom. Go have a look at the washroom. A decent size of washroom which you'll be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So now we'll be going and checking out our second master bedroom, which is the biggest room of this house. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme, and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go have a look at the master bedroom. But before that, right here you get a separate wall spacing area, which is the best part. So this entire space dedicated for wall spacing, and right over there is your common washroom for your guest. So you know your privacy is not disturbed at all. A decent size of washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now we'll be going and checking out the master bedroom. So come have a look at the master bedroom. This is your very spacious master bedroom. Just look at the amount of workable space. I'm walking on all three sides and showing you all there's enough walkable space in this room. Come here. So here you get cross ventilation in this room. So there's a window over here with an attached balcony, which I'll be showing you now, and then a window over here. So this room has cross ventilation with good sunlight. Have a look at the attached balcony. A good amount of size of attached balcony where you can enjoy your private time, your tea, your coffee. Don't need to step out of your bedroom if you're not feeling like to. And then over here, right here is your attached washroom. Go have a look at the attached washroom. Again with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And then again, this wall is dedicated for your wardrobe space. So after placing the wardrobe also, there's enough walkable space. I'm just walking and showing you. So entire wall dedicated for your wardrobe space. So very well designed planned house, 3 BHK, quite spacious, good sunlight, a must buy. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the Curve by Abhinav Group located in Virar. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.